आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello guys, today we have a question here from circular motion. A body of mass m and length l, and it is whirled in a vertical circle. It is whirled in a vertical circle. The velocity of the body at the lowest point is given mu. Then the tension at the point at which the string make angle theta with the vertical is. So basically we have a body here of mass m and it is whirled in a vertical circle. Vertical circle में क्या होता है, इसमें एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी का इन्फ्लुएंस होता है। और क्या दिया है, एट द लोएस्ट पॉइंट द वेलोसिटी ऑफ द बॉडी इज गिवन बाय u. So let us suppose this is our hinge. So this is our mass and it is whirled in a vertical circle. Note that point, it is in a vertical circle. So we will consider weight also, all the things related to weight. So basically for a particle to move in a circle, it needs centripetal force towards the center given by mv square by l. It is for this point, at the lowest point, this tension provides required centripetal force. Resultant force towards the center provides a required centripetal force. So at the lowest point, if we are considering this as our reference level, we will write total energy at here lowest point is equal to, it has only velocity u. Since this is the reference level, the potential energy at this point will be taken as 0, which is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy. Total energy at lowest point is equal to 0 plus it has velocity, so it has kinetic energy, obviously half m u square. So this is the total energy at the lowest point. Now we are considering at an angle theta. So let this be our second position. So this is our theta, this is our m. So basically what is this height? See here, this is our height, this is theta, this is l. So this is l cos theta, and this total length is l. So this length is l minus l cos theta. So for this body at the point t at angle theta is given by potential energy at that point plus kinetic energy at that point. So potential at that point is at height mg l minus l cos theta, right? So this is our kinetic energy at that point. This must be equal to total energy at lowest point because total energy remains constant. So this total energy here is equal to half mu square is equal to mg l into 1 minus cos theta plus kinetic energy at angle theta. See guys, let us say here it has velocity v, okay, tangential velocity v. So kinetic energy there will be half mv square, that is this is the kinetic energy. This must be equal to half mu square minus mgl into 1 minus cos theta, right? This is basically this one, okay. Now mv square equal to mu square minus 2mgl into 1 minus cos theta, right? So here also the particle is moving in circle, so it also at here also there must be a resultant force towards the center to so that we have to find out that resultant force. So let's draw this here. So this is our mass. So this is our angle theta. It is mg, and this is our mg cos theta, and this is our mg sin theta, because this is 90 minus theta. Okay, here 90 minus theta, then it will be theta here, then it will be theta here. That's why. Okay, now the resultant force towards the center is nothing but mv square by r, which must be equal to t minus mg cos theta. This means t at angle theta minus mg cos theta. So mv square we already know that, so just substitute there here, mu square by r. What is r? It is the length of the string L minus 2 mgl by L into 1 minus cos theta. So this L gets cancelled, which must be equal to t minus mg cos theta. Okay, see here, mv square we are substituting here, and r is equal to L. Okay, so mu square by L minus 2mg into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, this must be equal to t minus mg cos theta. So t is equal to mu square by L. So take minus from this, 2mg into cos theta minus 2mg plus mg cos theta. This one shifted to this side. Okay, mg minus mg cos theta is shifted to this side, plus mg cos theta. Okay, and we are multiplication, just arithmetic, just a simple arithmetic equation. So mu square by L plus mg into 3 cos theta minus 2, mg taking common. So this is the tension at an angle theta. See, this is basically, you need to know total energy remains constant, and you need to know some balancing the equations. That's it. So the answer is fourth option. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।